Oh my god, look what just arrived in my mail. It's the YouTube silver play button and I am so excited. I really wanted to open this along with you guys because this wouldn't have been possible without your support and without you subscribing to my channel. So thank you so much. And it literally just got here. It was supposed to be delivered next week, but it's here already. So I'm very excited and I can't wait to open it. So I'm filming this for you guys. So let's just quickly unbox this. Some solid packaging that I'm struggling to open. Ooh. So here's what's inside the box. There's this tiny note which says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional." And okay, there's a letter here. I don't know why I'm acting like I didn't know this. I've seen so many unboxing videos. But here's the letter which I have been waiting for since I started my channel. It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." And finally, the much awaited silver play button. Oh my god, I can't believe it's finally here and I'm honestly feeling all kinds of emotions right now. This is so beautiful. There's my name on it and it says you've passed 100,000 subscribers. And oh my god, this is amazing. Thank you so much. I think this award belongs to all of us, this community. And when I started my channel, this was like the ultimate goal, I think, because 100,000 seemed like such a big number. And I honestly didn't think I'd ever get there when I started my channel because I was just starting as a hobby. And I would see all these bigger YouTubers do unboxing of their silver play buttons and sort of hope that someday I will be there too. And it's finally here and this is such a surreal feeling. I can't even explain it in words. But thank you so much, guys. This would not have been possible without you, and your support genuinely means a lot to me and I'm so grateful. And for this video, I thought it'll be a good idea to go back and reminisce on all the funny moments. So I thought I'd make a blooper reel of sorts from the time I started. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The blooper reel is gonna start in 3, 2, 1. So Majuli is actually the center of the Neo-Vaishnavite movement in Assam. And these people just have to make this noise right now. So Majuli is actually the center of Neo-Vaishnavite movement in Assam. Okay, thanks for interrupting me, cow. Oh my god. There are cows running behind me.
Let the ambulance pass.
This is 2 minutes already of us just like going back and forth. Remember how I showed you this building earlier today? Also, after going scuba diving yesterday, which was my birds, please. And I didn't know this at the time then, but apparently, oh my god, these birds need to shut the So we're just walking around trying to find out where we have to go.
Sorry. Say hi. Hi. Hello.
Hi. This bird is pissing me off so much. Shh. So the game is finally over. This cow fucking everything.
Oh my god.
No?
Right?
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, that's a big one. I don't want to feed it. got some traffic on this path.
तू जब बीच में से हम हट जाते हैं.
What are you doing?
Wait, what am I saying? That was a lot of good food. Oh yeah. So this is the Pemayangsi. In which basically I'll be reading out a few sentences which start with who is more likely to blank, and we will fill. How do I explain this? Okay. This time I'm here with my college friend Natasha. Hi. So we got. No, what am I saying? So, and I met someone really special. Meet Riti Bhatia.
Bhatia.
Oh, sorry. Bhatia is Punjabi. Bhatia, no.
Yes.
Sorry.
What will I say, bro? Let me look at my. I don't look like shit.
No, we both look like shit.
Yeah.
That's like our airport look.
You can't see me.
My time is now.
You know it.
And I feel like I enjoy making there's water.
हाँ ये जगह ये बहुत प्रेशर है. One sec, rules है. It needs to bounce. Length से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तेरा ये भी दो है. Sejal's foot. मैं किसने चेंज किया है गाना? तू ही होगा.
Somebody just farted inside you. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है लेकिन नहीं शादी नहीं. Right now I'm at this place called Ocean.
3, 2, 1, go.
Why do I look so puffy? 1, 2, 3. Is there like a line, or is that looking funny, or is that?
No, it's like a filter. So like.
Oh yeah, it's a cool filter.
We'll jump in and just sit. Something like this.
Hey guys, this is Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, we're in Goa.
Come on.
Super chill.
Super hunter.
Yeah, our flight we almost missed it, but yeah.
Oh, is my mom watching this? She can't watch this. Right? So careless. No.
Pool is heated, so it's really nice, and it's kind of cold outside, quite cold. But Abhi is in shorts and a t-shirt. Vikram is like naked, and this is how I am.
So much random.
I know. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe. ये नहीं है. Subscribe. ये dislike होता है. Should I keep moving?
Should I keep moving? It look like such a psychedelic kind of a video.
Yeah. Could be random noises in my video.
No audio from you, please.
We'll do like Marshall and Lily. No, we have to do it here where here.
Okay. Nice.
Not bad, but like I went. Wait
Okay.
again. 1, 2, 3. Ow.
Sorry.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Bye. Bye.